see how I can keep a straight face? Ow!
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Sophia,
Oh.
maybe you should turn the webcam so people can see me too.
Oh, maybe I should. Okay. So you should explain.
Okay. So today we went to.
So today I went to this place called, I'm not going to tell you because, yeah. Yeah. And we went to taste my bat mitzvah food because, like, I'm Jewish. Duh. No, I'm having a Christian bat mitzvah. I'm just joking. Jewish people rock and Muslim people rock and, like, Chinese people rock and because they have good food. And Italian people rock and all those different people out there. I love you.
Say hello to the Christians too.
Hi Christians. Anyway, so like we did the taste testing and it was delicioso. Yeah.
And you know what?
There you go, Mr. Ogeen or Senor Ogeen. I said delicioso.
And guess what else? They have these wax things, and this is my finger. This is my hand.
Yeah, because you go like that.
Stop.
And you go loser.
No, you do. It's L for Laurel because my name's Laurel. And you get to like tie-dye.
Loser. Anyway, so we went there.
And then we went to the mall.
And then I was like, Mom, take us to the mall. She's like, yeah, okay, I got some crap to return, so we went to the mall. And while we were at the mall, we did some stuff.
Yeah, she kind of got a little tired of going to the mall, so we went to the car, right?
Yes, we were waiting for my mom to finish, so we were just waiting in the car in the parking lot.
And on her phone,
And
she
we
has
were-
a rap, and so we were about to make a rap, right?
We were listening to my rap, and it was like, oh my gosh, like, yeah.
We should make that.
And so, like, we were,
About to make one.
so I was sitting backwards on the front seat. Like, if this was the front seat, I was, like, sitting backwards so my face was,
Like, you
head.
can see that, like, this is the chair. Like, you guys are the chair, and she's there.
Wow. And, okay. And, then I fell. I was wiggling like this, and I fell, and then my mom came, and she's like, oh my god! So we came and rescued me, and ow, my back hurts still.
And it was hilarious at the same time, and I took a picture.
And
I'm going to upload it to Facebook. So you guys should, like...
you guys should friend us on Facebook.
No, we should make a,
Become a fan.
yeah.
You guys should fan us on Facebook.
Yeah, fan us.
It's SNL Wifeys. Or Sandal Wifeys, because that's how it's spelled. Sandal. Sandal Wifeys. Anyway.
So this episode,
we got
we should
new
do
rings again.
better rings in that
You
one.
keep getting new rings.
But these are the best.
And, yeah.
Now, I'm going to ask Sophia something. We should, like, make, like, a schedule for, like, our shows, you know what I'm saying?
We don't know when you're coming over.
Well, I should come over, like,
Look at my profile. It's so bad. I hate my profile. Because my chin. Okay. So, like, you guys, we have 50 more seconds to talk.
About crap.
So, let's sing.
No, this time.
Oh my gosh.
What?
My cleaning lady's here. She's a Spanish.
She's a Spanish.
Okay.
She's an Espanol. We should go talk to her. We should be like, las hamburguesas, please. Por favor.
You want hamburgers?
Yes.
You just ate fried chicken from Popeyes.
Bye. Oh, so there was this girl at Starbucks, and she is a Schwein. And I don't think you know what that means.
Well, she was African American. Nothing that's wrong with African Americans. Trust me. Martin Luther King is awesome.
You have like 2 seconds. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
We'll tell you later.